Hello everyone, are you ready for some phonics today? Amazing, let's go. Bounce my sounds 3 times. Very good. I've got some pictures here. Let's have a look at the pictures and think about the first sound. My turn, your turn. Kangaroo. Key. King. Kite. Did you hear that first sound? Let's do it again and bounce the first sound. My turn, your turn. Kangaroo. Key. King. Kite. Did you hear the first sound in king, kangaroo, kites? Did you say the k sound? Where is the k sound? But we had a look at the k sound yesterday, and this is a different k sound. Oh my goodness. Would you like to see the other k sound that I have? Are you ready? Are you steady? K, 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 k. Lovely. Make sure you're saying the sound properly. I'm going to robot some words and you are going to blend. So wake up your blending arm. Your first word is kick. Kick. Well done. Your next word is king. Fantastic. And your last word, kitten. Amazing. You are going to robot, so show me your robot arms. Put in some new batteries today. Wake them, shake them up. Your first word is kit. It. Kit. Well done. Your next word is kid. Off you go. Amazing. Kid. And last word is kettle. Like your mummy or daddy might put the kettle on. And off we go. Kettle. Kettle. Very good. Can you remember the sound that we're looking at today? It's not the curly k. It's the kicking k. Good. We are going to read some words with the k sound in them. When we read, what do? We look at the letters, make the sounds, blend the sounds together. Everyone, we... Fantastic. Okay, sitting up straight. Eyes looking. Off we go. Kid. Well done. Next one. Kim. And this has a big capital K. So Kim is someone's name. Should we say, hello, Kim? Well done. And last word. Off we go. Well done. Let's do it together. Kit. Fantastic. I'm going to flash the words. Can you remember them? Kid. Kim. Kit. Kim. Kit. Kid. Kim. Kit. Very good. We're going to practice writing the K sound. Well done. So make sure you have a pen or a pencil and something to write with. Fantastic. To help us think about the K sound, we think about a kicking kangaroo. So are you ready? Well done. Fantastic. Watching first. We go down the kangaroo, up over his body, and a kick for the leg. We start at the top. We go down the kangaroo, back up over his body, and a kick for the leg. Well done. Can you do a finger space? Down the kangaroo's body, back up over his body, and a kick for the leg. Keep practicing. What sound are you writing? What's the sound? Well done. Lovely. Make sure you're keeping the pen on the paper. Down the kangaroo, back up over his body, and a kick for the leg. Fantastic. Okay, we are going to write some words. When we write words, what do? We say the word, say the word, say the word, robot the word, write the word. Everyone, we. Fantastic. Robot arms ready. Your first word is kid. Off we go. And writing it down. Have you written it? Are you ready to show? In 3, 2, 1. Kid. 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 Make sure that your D is facing away from the sun. Lovely. And we always start on this side of the page of the board, and we always write towards the sun. Amazing. Okay, your next word, arms out, is kit. Off you go. And writing it down. Did you write it? Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Kit. 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 Very good. Fantastic writing. And do you remember our sound today? It was K. K. Fantastic. Lovely. You have done such good phonics today. I think you should give yourselves a big whoosh. So get your whoosh ready. Whoosh. Amazing. I will see you next time. Bye.